Imagine replacing $20,000 worth of expensive software with a single AI tool. GenSpark is changing how we work in 2025, and in the next 9 minutes, I'll show you exactly how it's helping people save over 20 hours every week. Whether you're a content creator, business owner, developer, or remote worker, this AI tool is about to change everything. Plus, stay until the end for access to my exclusive GenSpark automation templates that aren't available anywhere else. GenSpark isn't just another AI tool, it's an entire ecosystem that combines what used to require dozens of separate subscriptions. The average professional juggles between 8 to 12 different software subscriptions costing over $1,700 monthly. GenSpark replaces most of them at a fraction of the cost. But the real magic? It's how GenSpark systems communicate with each other. Unlike other AI tools that work in isolation, GenSpark creates a unified intelligence that learns across everything you do. Let me show you the 5 features that make GenSpark revolutionary. GenSpark doesn't just automate tasks. It studies how you work and creates custom workflows. Notice how it's arranging my content research environment exactly as I need it. It learns your patterns and adapts without you having to configure anything. Watch what happens when I take this market research data and ask GenSpark to transform it. In seconds, it creates both a professional presentation and functional code for our analytics dashboard. What would normally take hours of context switching now happens instantly. GenSpark's autonomous agents work while you sleep. Watch how I set up an agent to monitor our website analytics. It identified 3 critical issues overnight and implemented fixes automatically. Imagine waking up to problems solved instead of waiting for your attention. Unlike tools that forget your previous work, GenSpark builds a contextual memory specific to you. When I reference the Johnson project from last year, it immediately understands the exact style, requirements, and client preferences without any additional explanation. Most AI tools are either basic assistants or try to replace humans entirely. GenSpark positions itself as a true collaborator. Simple feedback like "make it more professional" or "like we did last time" is instantly understood and applied. It's like working with a partner who never forgets. Now let's see how different professionals are using GenSpark in the real world. Sarah, a YouTuber with 2 million subscribers, reduced her production time from 30 hours to just 10 hours per week. GenSpark handles her research, generates scripts, suggests B-roll, and even designs thumbnails that outperform her previous work. 10 hours per week. GenSpark handles her research, generates scripts, suggests B-roll, and even designs thumbnails that outperform her previous work. For developers, GenSpark manages entire workflows from understanding requirements to writing code, testing, debugging, and documentation. What's revolutionary is how it maintains context across your entire development process while integrating with GitHub, VS Code, and other developer tools. Maria runs an e-commerce business with just 2 employees but competes with companies 10 times her size. GenSpark automates her customer service, inventory management, marketing campaigns, and financial forecasting, essentially functioning as 5 additional employees. Freelancers are using GenSpark to multiply their output. James, a graphic designer, tripled his client load without hiring help. The platform handles his client communications, project management, initial design concepts, and even identifies which projects are most profitable for his business. Let's talk numbers. The average GenSpark user saves 23.5 hours weekly and replaces $1,750 in monthly software costs. But here's the most surprising stat: users report a 34% reduction in work-related stress. Eliminating digital context switching isn't just good for productivity, it's good for your mental health. Here's exactly how to get started with GenSpark in under 30 minutes. GenSpark begins with a personalized onboarding that analyzes your current workflow. It asks about your role, the tools you use, and your work preferences. This 10-minute investment saves hours down the line because the system starts with a baseline understanding of your specific needs. Next, connect GenSpark to your existing tools. The platform supports over 300 integrations out of the box. Each integration isn't just about accessing data. GenSpark actually learns how these tools work together in your specific workflow. For the first week, GenSpark mostly observes and assists with basic tasks while learning your patterns. By week 2, you'll see dramatic improvements. The system starts making suggestions like, "I notice you always create social media graphics after publishing a blog post. Would you like me to automate that?" The more you use it, the smarter it gets. We're at a unique moment in the evolution of AI tools. Most people are using fragmented systems that don't communicate. GenSpark represents the next wave, unified AI that learns across domains and adapts to you. Whether you're scaling content creation, streamlining development workflows, growing your business, or just reclaiming hours in your day, GenSpark might be the most important tool you adopt this year. If you found this valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for more cutting-edge AI tool breakdowns every week. Comment below with which GenSpark feature you're most excited about. Until next time, remember, the future belongs to those who leverage AI effectively.